Hello, hi friends. Our subject, science subject, first chapter. Matter. In this subject, you will read what is matter, what is matter, second, states of matter, third, change take place in state. First you will read matter. First of all, you know matter. What is the definition of matter? Those substance which have volume and occupy the space is known as matter. Means those substance which have volume and occupy the space is known as matter. There are many examples of matter. Example: wood, chair, table, stone. These are examples of matter. Please note down this definition and understand this definition. After this, on the basis of on the base of three types of मैटर. कौन से बेस पे? फिजिकल बेस पे. मीन्स उसकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी कैसी है, उस बेस पे जो मैटर है वो क्लासिफाई किया गया है थ्री टाइप्स पे इन 9th क्लास. मेनली यू विल रीड इन 11th क्लास matter can be classified on 5 states. But in 9th class you will read three types. First type, solid. Second type, liquid. And थर्ड टाइप गैस. मीन्स फर्स्ट टाइप क्या अपने पास सॉलिड है, सेकेंड टाइप लिक्विड एंड थर्ड टाइप गैस. फर्स्ट टाइप सॉलिड. मीन्स सॉलिड है क्या, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सॉलिड एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सॉलिड. इन दिस टॉपिक यू विल रीड डेफिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड, डेफिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ solid and physical properties of solid. In this topic you will read definition of solid, example of solid, physical properties of solid. First definition of solid. Those substance which have definite shape and fixed volume, that is known as solid. Means those substance which have definite shape and fixed volume known as solid. First example of solid, stone, table. These are example of solid. Glass, this is also known as solid. Reason behind this, they have definite shape and fixed volume. First, you will read the definition of solid, liquid and gas. Liquid, liquid means fixed volume but does not have definite shape. Means liquid, those substance which have fixed volume but does not have definite shape. If there is any problem in this topic, you can read these topics in WhatsApp group by PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Thanks all the students. Please continue tomorrow this class. दूसरी चलेगी अभी।